Hello and welcome to Montana, the lily-loving moose. And there he is right there, and he loves nothing more than chomping away at lily pads. That's correct, my friends. Hey, this is a work with me problem, so you are going to work alongside me and pause the video and then copy down stuff and then hit play again, and we'll keep working together till we solve the entire problem. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Montana, the lily-loving moose, is constantly chomping away on lily pads. The other day, Montana ate 9 more than twice a number of lily pads. Let L stand for the lily pads that Montana, the lily-loving moose, ate. And your challenge is to write an expression that represents the short story about Montana moose. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and copy down this whole paragraph right here. Don't worry about this part, just copy this part right here. And then hit play, and we'll move on from there. Alrighty, so the next thing, once this is written down, the next thing you're going to want to do is take out a highlighter or at least a pencil and underline the important part, the word portion that's going to turn into your expression. Okay, and I like a highlighter best of all, but you do what you need to do, so you can either underline it or highlight it. Now, he ate 9 more, that means 9 plus, right? And then it's twice a number of lily pads, right? So go ahead and pause the video and then make sure you get this 9 more highlighted and twice a number highlighted. Go ahead and get that done and then hit play. And we'll continue on solving this problem. Alrighty, and here we go. Let's start with the 9 more. 9 more means you're going to add, right? So if I have 9 more of something, I'm going to take 9 and add it to whatever I'm working with, right? In this case, I'm working with lily pads, right? And I've got the L representing them. Now, the second part of this is twice a number. Whenever you have a number, that's going to be a variable, which is going to be represented in this case by the L for lily pads, right? So twice a number would just be 2 times a number. So we're going to write 2L. And the reason we do that is that anytime you have a number right next to a variable, it means multiply. And that's what twice a number means. It means multiply 2 times some number. In this case, L is our variable representing that, right? So this is one way that you could write it, 9 plus 2L. I'm going to pause the video, or actually you're going to pause the video and get this copied because that's one way of writing it. Alrighty, so hopefully you have that written. If not, make sure you pause it. We're going to write this another way. Now this can be flipped around. Anytime you have plus, you can flip it around. So I could also write it like this down here. I could write, and I'll do it in blue here, just to be a little different, 2L, right? And that's my twice a number. And then I need 9 more. So if I added 9 to it, I would just put the plus 9 right there. So this is another way that you could write it, 2L plus 9 or 9 plus 2L. Either way is perfect. And what I would like is if you had both of these written on your paper. So go ahead and pause this. Pause the video and copy this second one down. Super, my friends. And hey, that is all you have to do to solve problems like this. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.